A young girl named Miyasa was the daughter of a wealthy merchant. She was known for her great beauty and kind heart. One day, Miyasa met a poor beggar who was hungry and thirsty. She gave him food and water, and he thanked her for her kindness. Moved by the beggar's gratitude, Miyasa decided to devote her life to helping others. She became a Buddhist nun and spent her days meditating and helping those in need. Years later, a powerful warlord fell in love with Miyasa and demanded that she marry him. When Miyasa refused, the warlord became angry and ordered his soldiers to kill her. But no matter what they did, Miyasa could not be killed. She even allowed the soldiers to cut off her limbs and burn her body, but she did not die. As she was dying, the lotus flower appeared where she had been burned. The warlord who had witnessed his miraculous events was overcome with guilt and sadness. He became a Buddhist and spent the rest of his life spreading Miyasa's message of compassion and kindness. The story teaches us about the power of love and compassion. It shows that even in the face of adversity and suffering, we can find strength in our beliefs and in our desire to help others. It reminds us to live our lives with kindness and to strive for inner peace and enlightenment.